some of the brightest mind that Manipur had produced, particularly in the valley area. They had opted for higher education in the field that they were interested in. This is the beauty. And majority of them, in the first category will be the senior people like Professor Muba, Professor Rajen, Professor Janmejoy, and so on and so forth. They were all educated in some of the best institute in the country at that time. Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University is an institution by itself. Nowadays, Banaras has become the center of all sort of excellence. The kind of facilities that the students were given in Banaras Hindu University, it will be very difficult for many other university, even the IITs, for example. Banaras has got an IIT within the campus itself. Now it is the center of all the Center for Advanced Studies. And after Banaras Hindu University, most of the scientists, they either came back for some time for teaching or they joined advanced research institutes, maybe BARC or TIFR or Cambridge or many other, say, universities. And I must say, Professor Dhaneshwar I was one person from JNU who had dropped him at Palam Airport when he first left India to join, say, Stanford University. Princeton University, yeah. So we were all inspired and enthused by the kind of ideas that they had given to us. And in a way we were so lucky because our generation was a bit, junior to the generation of Professor Amuba or Professor Dhaneshwar and so on and so forth. But I would like to say that these are the intellectual and academic nucleus which had sown the seed for the setting up of an institution like JNU PG Center in Manipur. They had provided the entire academic base, they provided the entire vision of a university which is actually contained in the aims and objective of Manipur University Act as a state university in 1980. And the entire Manipur University that we have today, with a lot of ups and downs, essentially belong to the ideas which was sown during those days. We are only trying to expand it, to incorporate certain new things, to inject a few ideas and make the institution to grow as far as possible. We are so grateful to this generation of the scientists which Manipur had produced, and we are so proud of them. And one instance that Professor Muba was talking about, a particular lady which is included in this volume. Majority of the students in physics department, if I am not mistaken, because I don't belong to science, I belong because I am a historian by training. So they must have been taught so well, that this particular lady has joined IIT Kanpur, I think. I think I am correct. She had worked in various established laboratories in Europe for about 10 years, isn't it? It's such a, good feeling to read, to hear about their achievements. Next, a good number of the chapters which are there, they belong to Delhi University. And in Delhi University, when the student come for admission, if they come for science subjects, first will be physics. Because in Delhi University, I feel that students enjoy learning physics. They enjoy, learning and completing courses in physics. And it's no surprise that many of our students, they dominated physics department. Manipuris invariably used to be toppers in Delhi universities, graduation as well as post-graduation courses. Many toppers from Manipur were produced by Delhi University. And I am proud to be a part of that fraternity, and so many products from Delhi University, including Professor Sumitra, Professor Nimai, so many other people, of course, Professor Yogendra Basanta is also there. And many of them are very well exposed, very well read. They had undertaken the rigor of serious researches in different labs. Their publications are, no doubt, some of the best scientific journals have published their papers. But the question is, in spite of so much of serious scientific output, what is the ultimate outcome from that? It is in this context that I feel, and I keep telling to my students and colleagues that so many theses are lying unused, unstudied, even unnoticed in our library racks. So many theses. Manipur University so far must have produced more than not less than 1,000. And very few of them have been published. My request to all the colleagues and faculties that please encourage your student to revisit those theses, re-examine, revisit, incorporate new ideas, new developments, and get it published. Or if any kind of assistance is required from our university, we have already drafted the regulation for providing assistance for publications in journals. The Research and Development Cell of Manipur University has already prepared it. Academic Council has already approved it. And we are willing to provide every possible assistance from the university side. Otherwise, so much of hard work that our colleagues have undertaken in the last so many years, these are not properly used in our library. It's lying there, And now publication is the prime considerations for, academic, say, gradation as well as for ranking. Many of our students, particularly girls, I know that, I'm aware that majority of our students who had completed PhD in the science departments from Manipur University, they had been working very hard right from their higher secondary days. Throughout, they had worked very hard. BSc, MSc, PhD. But for some reason or the other, after completing their PhDs and getting a job, they slowed down their intellectual pursuit. And for that, there is a reflection in the overall academic atmosphere in our university. My appeal to all of them is that, please come back, try to make use of the work that they have done for 6-7 years, take help from the available, say, faculties, and make use of them, not in their own interest, but ultimately in the interest of the university. I must have dilated so many things. I'm so sorry. My opinions I had expressed, but very less on the book. Since I'm a historian by training, I must say that the autobiographical note of 50 scientists, these are very valuable and important storehouse of information for reconstruction of Manipur society, post-Second World War society. You can learn a lot. Historians, sociologists, social scientists can make use of the data because these are autobiographical, not primary source. Data and information given by the scientists themselves regarding their family, regarding their school, regarding the type of education they received, what they wanted. This can be converted into so many valuable and interesting social history books. These are very, very precious sources. As a student of history, I am so grateful to Professor Nimai and the team. I wish 2-3 more volumes come out, because that's the way that, we can rewrite, we can reconstruct say some kind of a comprehensive kind of a social history. I do not want to take more of your time. It's already 4:30. I pay my respect to all the senior professors. All your contributions have been very, very authentically recorded and documented in this volume. This will be in our library. Our library should have at least, maximum number of volumes for posterity. For posterity. We need it for posterity. Yeah, one thing I have forgotten to just say, that because some of our best and brilliant minds had taken up teaching profession and had taken up higher studies, there was a vacuum in the, socio-political system in Manipur. Very few people from among the generation had taken up leadership in politics. Neither they had taken up leadership in administration. Some have taken up in, say, leadership in technology and engineering. I wish that some of them, if they had taken up leadership in administration, maybe many problems which we face today might not have been there also. But this is a matter of conjecture only, and now that university has come up, and the university under the leadership of so many people, we are fully confident, and we wish to take forward the agendas that all of you have said before. And with these few words, I want to thank all of you.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra Singh, the Chief Guest of today's book release function. Professor N. Raj Mohan Singh, the president of today's function, former Vice Chancellor of DM University, Professor N. G. Nimai Singh, the editor of the book to be released today, and Professor Laddu Singh, guest of honor, and Professor Emeritus, Department of Mathematics, Royal Global University, Guwahati, and former Vice Chancellor, Bodoland University, Assam. Special invitees, it is such a pleasure to see so many of our revered teachers and so many of the illuminaries who have helped to shape our state, our university, and help to inspire young people of the state. It is such a pleasure to see all of you in one frame in this hall today. And faculties of the different departments of the university, invitees from different fields of life, invitees from the media houses, and everyone present. A very good afternoon to everyone. I would like to thank the organizers of today's function for giving me the privilege to say a few words on the occasion of this book release of the book, Inspirations from Scientists of Manipur. When Professor Raj Mohan approached me to speak about the book, I wondered how I could do justice by reading the book, which is so thick, in just 2-3 days, and speak on it. But when I flipped through the pages, I realized that it is the essence of the book that is very beautiful, and that is what needs to be highlighted. So I start with the title of the book, Inspirations from Scientists of Manipur. Upon hearing it first, it may seem a little high-sounding or bombastic, because we generally associate the word scientist with geniuses and names like Einstein, Newton, Madame Curie, C.V. Raman, Srinivas Ramanujan, etc. But when I looked through it, the definition of the word scientist is someone who systematically gathers data and uses research and evidence to make hypotheses and test them, to gain and to share understandings and knowledge. The characteristic traits of a scientist are observation, curiosity, logic, creativity, skepticism, objectivity, etc., regardless of their field. So I think the title of the book is very apt and befitting. So to speak about the book, this book is a compilation of the autobiographical sketch of 50 individuals of Manipur from different fields of science, and they have been termed as scientists very appropriately, who have contributed in some way or other towards their respective subject or field, and who were able to motivate younger minds and contribute to society. At a time in the state when interest in basic sciences seem to be dwindling, this book may help to enthuse students to opt for and take up research in the sciences, basic sciences. So when I open the book, the first line in the first page of the book, under the foreword written by Longjam Ranendra Singh, catches the attention. It reads, biographies and autobiographies are fuels to ignite young minds. So this is what the book is about. To read about great men and women, to learn about their aspirations, struggles, their growth process and achievements have always been inspiring and motivating. Many of the persons in this book have also stated how reading about great scientists motivated them. So there are great autobiographies of great scientists that we know, like Einstein, Newton, Madame Curie, Stephen Hawking. Coming nearer home, Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Dr. Bikram Sarabhai, Meghnad Saha, Abdul Kalam, just to name a few. Great stories, great lives, and geniuses. However, these stories seem from a different scale, a different world, inspiring indeed, but far-fetched and unreachable. But when stories are about people from our own state, from similar background, people whom we know, whom we have heard of, people who have achieved in spite of adversities, the younger generation would definitely find it not only inspiring, but also very relatable. In this regard, I feel the book will be impactful. So as Professor Nimai, the editor, has mentioned, the book has 3 sections. Section 1 is termed as Homage to the Departed Scientists of Manipur, which is a narration about the lives of 12 scientists who are no longer with us in this world. Many of them were born in the 1920s and 30s, and they grew up at a time when education was at a minimal in the state. They are pioneers who set out beyond the hills, even at that time, to seek for the light of education. Very brave, setting the path for the next generation to come. Even at that time and age, when everything was so difficult, starting from communication, they dared to dream, to go abroad and pursue their dreams, in spite of myriads of obstacles. But they have set the path. Section 2 is the section named Autobiographies from Living Veteran Scientists, 26 in number. So interestingly, except 1 or 2, all of them have been associated with either Manipur University or DM College of Science. So we know them as administrators, as teachers, as guides, seniors, or colleagues. So it will definitely be interesting to know about them from a different perspective, and definitely it will be inspiring. They are mostly people who were highly motivated to pursue their goals. They struggled their way to achievement, and then they came back to the state to lay the foundation of education in the state. So wherein we now have good schools, colleges, and even universities, and many of them are pioneers in their field, laying the path for the younger generation to learn and excel. So what we have in the state now, the path of education, the growth of education, are largely due to them. Because of them, the younger generation are benefiting, and they can dream of competing globally, as can be seen in the 3rd section of the book, which is titled From Lives and Works of Younger Scientists of Manipur, and there are 12 of them in the book. So again, interestingly, but not surprisingly, they have gone global. They have gone global. So they have spread their wings and are placed everywhere across the globe. So we read stories about young scientists from Manipur who are settled in the USA, UK, UAE, Europe, all across India in big institutions in Delhi, Mumbai, Kerala, Mohali, Kanpur, Kolkata, Assam, and even Manipur. What is common in all the stories is the aspiration to go beyond the normal and to chase their dreams in spite of adversities and lack of facilities. What is common is the struggle, the perseverance, and the grit shown by all of them. So with inspirations from achievers and with so much opportunities now given by the internet, which are available at their fingertips, the young talents can explore the world and be anywhere to fulfill their dreams. So such books are documents that can provide a strong database to showcase our talents in the scientific arena, bringing hope for establishment of premier scientific institutes in the state for the benefit of the young talents of the soil. So stories must be told to know the history, because in them, by reading them, we see evidences unfolding of the history of education, science education in the state. With these few words, I would like to thank the editor of the book, Professor Nimai Singh, for the onerous task that he has taken to bring out such a book. Thank you, everyone.
And I'm not a good writer also. So naturally, I felt reluctant to respond to him. At the end, of course, I also wrote something about myself. If you care to read my narration there, you will find that I am not an achiever at all. I have said in my narration that I have nothing. I am not an achiever because I have not achieved anything worthwhile. But still, name of the book turned out to be inspirations from the scientists of Manipur. Oh. I don't know whether my own narrative would give any inspiration to any young runner. I don't know. I am very doubtful, actually. But still, I would like to congratulate, rather thank Professor Nimai for bringing out this volume, because after reading this volume, I came to know, I became aware of, that there are so many young scientists from Manipur, young scientists who have made considerable achievements in the field of science and scientific research, and who had come from this, my motherland, Manipur. Of course, I have read this book in the last couple of weeks. I have gone through all the pages of this book, actually. So, actually, when I first got a copy of this book from Professor Nimai, of course, first article I wrote is obviously about my own narration. That is more or less like a proofreading. I just wanted to recollect what I have written, whether there is any thing in this. So I enjoyed reading my own narration, And next article I read was about by one of my students, who comes at the last of the 50 contributors. There are 50 contributors in this book. In other words, 50 scientists. And last 10 are the young scientists, I am calling them. I am nahawa scientists in Manipur, scientists in Edo, particularly serial number 40 ki makha da leiba singdo. Madu ki iro loiba da yauriba bingwana pallavada sapam ranjita sanu. Magi article duni aina magi narration haitare ko. Autobiography hai bumuksu hai bunwaite. Magi narration do. Madune aina yana napa. I saw the article to matande hek hana pa se magi article look pai. Kani maram ke noida number 1 amana atai sing to di young akhoi ki young scientist lai mayam list to madu de aina khangbo yaw di adu mark ti aina khangbo akhoi ki satri waina how hi banina aduma sin number 1. Another reason is mayam de mark to mi yang case manung da Nupi scientist, female scientist, ma matanda mo yarombo. And this was a bit surprising. For example, I in the yarom gani kanba scientist karaso adum yarom di. Adum when the elector must be I go. And I am no misery. I know how you Panjaki, why Manipuragi, how Manipuri scientists, Haitarian. Scientists at the Mahirasiko. Manipuri scientists in the Manipuragi, how Kiba, Akway, how you put the really there, a cheaper, a one attack level of Yona, Kakatana scientific research, the immortal river, Way currency there. moi khari ki background do moduni aina yam I want to numaizabam powers yam rural background sometimes I gi background bas jamana ba ai khoi si labuk ta paktaraga labuk ki sing nungsa marak tu da langban gi nungsa marak tu da labuk ta gi sing thalak pa adu ma misa amane ese yam rural environment ta chawrak pa maduna moi sing aduna adagi school su matam dogi hausi gi matam gi leiriba mission school si dagi hok pam ta natte matam dogi rural LP school dagi hok hakta yam tawe aduna moi gi wari to pa ba do ning da yam ngai bam pa mayam su yen piu particularly serial number 40 to 50 होगा 41 to 50 होगा तो मुझे यार वो कोई की young scientist में हम तो appreciate तो भी हो आई मकोई दुगी मरम तो पाप फंगन बदो अदुगी तो मकता नहीं आई ना निमाई वो आई ना थाके लिए ना आई जैसे मागी माना सिमो बोलूं सिमो पुतोक पिरम तरह दी आई से अचुके हम ना कोई ना व्यवहार तो भी यार वो adugumba kenu sing si leirmi akoi manipur dagi sanjik si lei haibu fawa ai khangdana adum punsi si loiram dum manle adum marju khangan bagi damakta ni sa aina yam nungai jari si aduna ai wa ngang busu hana su haite sum sahi yam chalaga hai jalak to ba hele henjal ada ai roi bada aina hainin badi akhoi ke kenu sing dane mayam dugi aina hoje hari pu young scientist sing se moi de background moina thengnarak pa moi ki struggle do adu yemuraga de ai khoi se khoi na ngang hoine dane angang se da adu woyu ada woyu hedana na kaino yam na ma sai ki kari gumo masada oiring ai scientist hoige ai adu hoige gai base scientist hoige artist hoige amu hoige gai base mosiki wakansi ai arouse to dabna powran kali moise they should be left free to develop to develop their own talents without expecting anything out of himself or herself ma masade ke ai adu hoidoi ne wakansi adu thotok pe yaudana na mathanda magi leiseba talent to develop to bagi kan opportunity do adu people em khali adu na ai choosing ai keno sing se da wa noi hayang chorga adu to da to wese ai amta haidi adu hai so hai ro ne khali let them grow up and get the opportunity to develop inherent talent in what after all koi keno se di koi career se koi na scientist ore se scientist ni ga haidana ore se scientist sai basi hoji professor Sumitra gi hoji ki scientist ki definition ye moraga di I wonder whether I can call myself a scientist I say scientist am oi brai do I sing na bom fo se koi na scientist ore se aina oining na oi ke banate ai di masi shona ta mapani hai tare koi na ko se oining base shona ta mapani adun akoi na hoji o person ni mai gi wakhanda budi akoi ni leibe kaun mayam sina sata singta young minds singta inspiration pina bani na hai ko I wonder whether my story will give any inspiration. My story or these stories will give any inspiration. Oh, what do they tham krasi? I koi na punchi da koi na oining basiti oining e si het oi da bra na ai khali. Masi sona tamak pa hai tare kari ai ni. Puna maksimu kari ni sona mal lai hai base. Masi ai angang weng adagi khalan dengi moida inspiration na bu ne there is God haibase masigi kari haini ayne convey tawningi so I convey to hai tre kano se masigi kano se moida lani haidi tawbe puna makse isorbu nusizaba isorbu kari haini kanjaba adungi wakal amaga loinana tawrabadi moigi punsi do mai pakane na ikali highway atade I specialism the sangning bani the chang da haite bagi wani thong je hangdok na mantra ji thiu haiba da mantra do aina hajidra bayan aina speciality ki thong ne aina hangdo ningi se adu madu haitraba madu karmaina hairga keno tawgate gedam ada masigi specialty wakan je sahi yamagadi akoi khudimakse I think we become closer to spirituality as we become older. Housing the Aina Kalapasi, I say, Kitang Sahi Yam the spirituality ki Wakan Kalamudi, Pani the guy, Kalapaya, Paramana, Parambaya Gana, Kalapaya Kayumotam. Adu Paramasi Tamgrasi, I say, Wang Bahau, some Kanda by the family Lakadore. Aina Hojaki Matamgi, Kanosika relevant Wafa Mountain Tamsing Adi Hojaki Anquiki Angansingi education. Masida Aquina curriculum and a syllabus ki Polum Tamivase. I must say, Porum putting with a Hainabone. Tabi never did an later Mali. Hojiki Aquiki Angang Sida Aquino curriculum and syllabus ki Polum sound and Nalivase, Masiki Polum say, Masikitang young Tanava, Mayamong to Honaviona. Yambre, I hoji, then the Canvada, I Yumda, I issue Anikale, I'm going to say Taru, I'm going to say Nipan. Say Taruk Shupatri, Mangashe. Say Manga, the idea where Anganse, Masidan Naliva, Mangan and Naliva curriculum burdens, Masikalu with a nuaiti, touching a nuaiti. Mondo Nalisi, language of whom Tambagi, burden. English ne, Maitaiwan ne, Hindi ne. Sige burden. Maslis the Magil, I think he is very talented. I can with that. Magin is very good talent. So, Matu Karmano, Matanda, how to talent to Yokalaka drive, curriculum and be none leave a curriculum. I must it is very doubtful. I don't know. I said, Nimaina no Pulum, Pondokan, I say, Masida Sunes. A quay 1980 Matumda Popa. Hojiki heavy curriculum say, Masina Naleva Kambuse, Masidaki Sukayana, Misikayam, Likalaga, a Sivaredo, scientific disaster, scientific area, a Sivaredo, or even a Mokedo, I can't. Sometimes I doubt. Aquina Hojik Tambiri for curriculum say, Moduena, language, but then I'm a town on the liver say. Masina, I didn't get talent, say, must I self nourishing or get over though. Or red rain, I want to keep on forward. I don't know, Masi can be a Hojikmatam, the curriculum and syllabus, Mayam Kanaragana. Matanka and modernized way, Aduga young, curriculum syllabus, developed tone over the Honeview, and a Madu, Mayam Honevia.
Professor Sumitra Panjubam, esteemed invitees, many of whom are my mentors and my dear friends. In fact, I am very happy to say that I am so happy. After a long time, I am given this platform to say a few words. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Nimai. One fine morning, I received a mail, and in that mail, Professor Nimai sent me one short message that please write your autobiography. And he sent me a copy of a draft of autobiography by Professor I.S. Kaidem. Then I was thinking, I am a little shy in nature also. Should I write my autobiography to praise what I had done in my lifetime? So I was very reluctant. 2 or 3 days I was thinking. Then after that, I still remember is Professor Muba, my mentor. He has said how he suffered in his early days in the LP schools, in the high schools. Like that also, what I did suffer during my early life, my father took me to Tamenglong, and I was put in a class 1 or 2, and I could not understand the local dialect. So my father told me, come back and you study in the house. And after a few months, he just admitted me in class 3 where the teaching was in English or in Manipuri. So I was overburdened. And in that condition, I started my studies. Throughout my life, I was too young for my class. So this I remember. Then I came to, after my MSc, I came back here. I didn't get any job. When my old friends got job in DM College or in GP Women's, and I had to run to JNU Center, and I was running after Professor Ishtam Singh, and how I struggled. Then after that, by the time there was no funds in the university, and for research we need money. Then we don't have money from the university, because even the Manipur University was suffering to pay the salary of the teachers, and we used to get salary after 3 months or 4 months. So how did we face to make a project, present it to the Ministry of Environment, to DST, to CSIR, to get some funds so that it will support my research. So this I remembered while, these 2-3 days. And I said, yes, I should write it. Because unless I say that, nobody will know. The young people will not know. I used to ride bicycles to collect fish from Uriambam. I went to Moirang by scooter. I went to Chakpi Karong by scooter. And, I hid my scooter within, the Hangam in Sero. Then I went for fishing. Those things I remember, and I should write something so that at least the young people should learn and how to face life. So I started writing, although his Professor Muba said I'm very weak in English also. But somehow I requested Professor Nimai, please do the, proper English editing so that it can be presentable. So I think I have not read the book till today, and I have not seen all the articles. There are 50 articles I heard. So now I feel that today it is a good thing that Professor Nimai has taken as a very good initiative to record the works done by the young people, the old people, how the science has improved in our state, and it will at least give some gist to the young people, to young researchers, how research can be conducted. So I congratulate RIST properly, particularly Professor Nimai, and I wish that his book, second volume, be also a very successful publication. Thank you once again.
This was published in 1979. It's still being cited in 2020. So I feel very proud and humble to say that a paper which was published as back as 1979 is being cited till 2020. But fate has ordained me not to be in the field of academics. So after that I left science, but science has taught me one very good thing, that in every day, in all our endeavors, you can look into any issues with a very rational outlook. Indicated that vitamin C helps in wound healing and steroid retards in wound healing, but micro doses of steroid assist in wound healing. And it was a very old paper of 1954 vintage, and even now that paper is still being cited in academic circles. I have not gone through the book, but this book will motivate the younger generation. And I was pretty impressed with the young scientist Santa Laishram of the Indian Statistical Institute, who is currently in USA undergoing a series of lectures. Then we have got Professor Khetri Rajan's son Augustine. Then Raghumani is there, who is with Bach. And in Kerala, Mayang Labong, Suhez Kumar, who did his PhD in Indian Institute of Science, and he was in Florida for some time. So we have got a very a crop of brilliant minds who are working in not only India but outside the country, contributing towards the advancement of science. One thing the current crisis has given me is that we have got linked with the diaspora. Suhez, I knew him when I was in the government in 2015 or 16 when he was doing his PhD. We again got connected. After that, then Jiten Kharakpam, at that time also, we got disconnected, but this crisis have forced the diaspora to reconnect with their native state of Manipur. And that is one advantage. And the knowledge, the ideas, the experience these youngsters had is tremendous. Their approach toward life is also different from ours. And the skill they have attained in their field of expertise, if they can come back and bring back their expertise and skills, I think Manipur will prosper. I think Professor Nimai's idea of bringing out his book basically is to inspire the younger generation to go towards science, because now the focus is now on the professional courses like medicine, like engineering. This crisis has taught us that every subject is equally important. We have not been able to counter the narratives because we have got very few good historians. We have got very few good sociologists who can challenge the narratives that has been put up. And I do hope that brighter students go towards social sciences, humanities, and not only in science, and even because the applied science is another thing, the advancement, the academic benefit is huge, but if we don't do basic science and mathematics, then we'll be nowhere. Why some of the countries are most advanced is because they have invested heavily on basic sciences, and without a basis of basic sciences to add on becomes much more difficult. China have invested heavily, and the output of China on theoretical physics, and even in management, Professor Jeevan is there on backward and forward linkages. Some of the works they have done are outstanding. Korea have done excellent work on social experiments like your community democracy and all. So these are areas which we need to learn so that we can try to replicate in our state. About the education system, Amoba had mentioned about the education system. When I was director of SCRT, the main focus during the second national education, this recommendation is to reduce the load of the school bag. The idea is both physical as well as the mental load to be reduced. Because when I did a survey, I found that in class 1 in Germany, they are taught only up to 1 to 10. Here we are teaching the students up to 1 to 100. And you can see the pressure that is built up on the young kids' mind. So that a very scientific approach needs to be made. And about the school education, the lesser is said, the better. But I used to insist on one thing, because there are many, even in this university also, who says that the school education system in Tripura is much better in Manipur, because 94% of the students are catered by the government school and only 6% are catered by a private institution. Whereas in Manipur, 60% is catered by the private schools and only 40% are catered by the government school. You go to any national or regional institution in the northeast, you will always find a Manipuri among the faculty, among the scientists. You will hardly find anybody from Tripura. That indicates that the school education system in Manipur is comparatively better than many of the northeastern states, despite the fact that it is catered to by the private institution, which no doubt is a costlier proposition. You go to any institution, whether starting from Rajiv Gandhi institution to this Nereus, then you go up to the south, up to the University of Tripura. You will find in every institution there is some Manipuri, whether it's Mizoram, whether it is in IIT, Guwahati, you will find. Because at least we lay the foundation, but unfortunately, the overemphasis on medicine have destroyed any other subjects. And I do hope that Professor Nimai edited book, Inspiration from the Scientists of Manipur, will ignite the young minds and make choices by the kids to go towards study in science. And that will make our state a much better place. With these few words, I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity, and to Professor Nimai for inviting me to this function, because I am one of the very few who are not from the academics who are present here, even though I try to be in touch with most of the academics whenever I don't know. In fact, I asked Professor Vishwanath, what is the pakka scientific name of Ngaton? So he says that, Ngaton is the fingerling of 4 or 5 species, but the genuine one is Bangama Dev Devi, and I still remember it. I studied like Professor Kumar under Vajra Sinha, and at one time I was remembering more than 1,000 scientific names in botany. You name any damn Manipuri plant, I would be able to give the scientific binomial name anytime. But with age and with lack of practice, I have forgotten. But I still remember more than 100 scientific names.
We generally do not have document in writings. Last year I was invited in Botany Department, Guwahati University, for 75 years of the existence of Botany Department in Guwahati University, since 1948. It was a big volume that compiles what about the teachers, publications, student publications. It was very impressive. Like that, I felt our university also should have a good document right from 1972, when it was a part of the JNU Center, till recent. Professor Lokendro in your time, a compendium if you could produce, that would be a very, very appreciative work and a very solid work we've done that will be, people will appreciate, because we lack documentation, I told you very frankly. That is why we have a lot of problems because of the lack of the documentations in the society nowadays. Who said like this, another people said like this, so. That is one good thing. I don't know, I don't remember exactly what I have written in that essay I gave to Professor Nimai. But, you know, as Professor Amuba said rightly, that I was basically a student of soil microbiology when I joined St. Edmund's College, Shillong in 1972. One day I went to Guwahati University down to request my teacher, subject teacher, for doing PhD work. He was absent on that day, So somehow I enter in the room of the Professor S.K. Barua. He was a professor and head right from 1948 to 79, I think. Then he told me, Rabant, you take up a subject, aerobiology, for your PhD work. I do not know what is this subject, aerobiology, because we have only 5 minutes, 5 marks in aerobiology in our MSc, and that was the things. There was no literature at all. Anyhow, I do not know from soil microbiology, I have to adapt to aerobiology. Luckily, those days, I announced in the class that my students said, sir, there is a literature written by D.N.C. Puri, he is the father of allergy in India. I told that I want to do some research on aerobiology and human respiratory allergy, but there is no literature. He gave me a book of science, current science today, I think. So it was written that this is what is allergy, how it happened and all. Then I tried to contact D.N.C. Puri. Then he called me for a workshop, a 3 days workshop in 1975. So I learned in those workshops about the aerobiology. He gave me a lot of references. In that way, it was started. So in that way, it took me 6-7 years to complete this work, because there was no facilities in those days. We used to buy the reprint from in stock, you know. Those from in stock we buy. The Guwahati University, but there was no literature on the subject. That way, the subject was successfully. About 5-6 months before completion of my work, my professor expired. In 1980, I did submit my PhD thesis in 1981. Then I was undone. Then I requested Professor Parkuti Barua. She was equally qualified, guide of late Professor L. Jalmejoy Singh. He said, whatever you have written, you submit it to me with change of the topic. The content is the same. In that way, it was submitted. And those days, our PhD thesis, one of the theses have to go outside India. I remember that Dr. R.R. Davies of St. Mary's Hospital, London, he was one of the examiners for my PhD work. Then R.N. Lokhanpan from the, he was in Palynological Institute. In that way, it was done. Slowly, the laboratory I was working in the college. Therefore, to the young men, young people, scholars, I should say, facilities are to be created. You have to create your facilities. Not that, you are very lucky, those days we had no fun. Professor Barua asked me, you have to find out the device, how to trap the microbes in the air. Microbiology is the study of the microbes present in the air. That was the thing. Those teachers from the Cambridge, they will not give the topic of the subject, those things. They will ask you, read. You read. After 5 minutes, say 2-3 months, you come again, ask, you read again. They will give a long topic. Then, this is very accidental. I was undone how to find out the equipments for trapping the microbes in the air. I was in St. Edmund's College in bachelor's quarter. One day I was lying down on my bed and I saw the spider webs in the corner of the room used to trap small insects and eat. Then I realized that why not me also try. With the help of the nylon thread, fishing thread, I wind up just like the spider webs. And that was included in my PhD thesis. That was deep in the glycerin jelly, exposed in the air. and for 2 years, for 1 minute, 1 hours. And the effect of viability of the microbes in the air on the effect of the wind speed, air temperature, sunshine value, so on. It was a paper was published to aspects of allergy and applied immunology in 1979. Professor Barua was my guide, but those days I was very busy as a professor, as a vice chancellor. So I informed him that, sir, I am going to submit a paper to aspects of allergy and applied immunology. He said, it's okay, fine. I saw him the draft. He said, it's okay. On the basis of that paper, I was awarded Fellow of the Indian College of Allergy and Applied Immunology, now life member, in 1985. I was given the scroll in the Park Hotel, Calcutta. So in that way, things are done. We have so many ups and downs, working in the college, doing PhD. After 4 p.m., my work started. From 7 o'clock to 9:30, I had to do, because I was in campus. And being in the private college, so much workload, right from the pre-university up to BSc honors. We used to take 4 classes, 5 classes per day. In spite of that, I do give labor a lot. That, of course, later on pays. Till today, in the field of aerobiology in India, we are pioneer. Recently, June 24th, a paper was published in the Indian Journal of Aerobiology, 37th volume, number 1. The aspects of what is called the integration of the bioinformatics and AI, artificial intelligence, on the identification of the airborne pollen grains and fungal spores. In India, this field, use of aerobiological knowledge, interact with the AI and bioinformatics, it's a new work. I was invited to give a keynote address last year in Nanded. Everyone was appreciating our work, because I have the facility to work with this, because we have a company here in Impal, 2 companies. We have software engineers. About 10 persons are working software engineers. We have got what is called computer scientists, management work, then also the marketing peoples. With them, with their help, I could do that. I give them theoretical knowledge, but they found out which use of AI in the identification of the airborne microbes, especially fungal spores and pollen grains. Now the doctors who are interested to identify aeroallergens, they don't have to see the microscope. They don't need any more about the aerobiological specialists. We have developed, this is on sale also. So the tool we developed, they can easily identify it with the help of the images. So in this way, these are some of the things to the young scholars. I want to appeal that you have to change your studies, your research work with the changing world. Now this is the age of AI. The artificial intelligence apply everywhere, even in hotel management, things are now applied with the AI. Therefore, please try to catch up with the changing world, the new technologies we have to develop for the younger generations. If you want to do well for the national level, compete in the national level, not getting the PhD only, you try to have your, we are now, our days are almost finished. If you want to compete in the rest of the country, people in the rest of the country, you have to have some innovative ideas in your field. Then only you will be able to. You speak even in abroad also, you go to the international conference, if your originality is correct, they will appreciate our works. Many of our books or papers have been referred even in foreign countries. Therefore, these are some of the things we started from the scratch. When I joined the Manipur University, there was one, I remember there was one in 84, one colony counter and one, what is called, only one tooth for plant pathology. But later on it was developed, facilities we created with the help of the research projects. I had the opportunity to complete 16 major research projects while I was in Manipur University. Many of the students, they helped me also doing this work. As much as 25 students did from their PhD from Manipur University, another 3 from Assam University, Silchar. So these are some of the experiences I get during these times. But till today, changing world, I try to adapt, learn from the younger generations. Because of our software engineers and hardware engineers, we could develop some of our innovative tools for identification of the airborne pollen grain and fungal spore.
Hoji Pauba Apapa Ankai was a late Kansida. Half a century, say Humdra Sur Pauba, Matam Dudagi, 1959, in class 9 Kavasi. Matam Dudagi, Kari Kalagozana, Uncle Laurino. Mayam Suk, Luina Hainaba, Palm, Draba, Luba, Ludobi Kangre. Mayam quite a palm those subjects here. Mathematics now. Mathematics is the most hated subject in the schools. Karigumba, Board of Secondary Education Manipuri, Asina, Anka Asi, Mathematics Asi, optional Wehla, Magadi. Angang more than 80% of students, they will offer other subjects. Anka Nataba, Anka Mahutta, top subject. Masitagre, while I was a member of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Atay state the Sumasi, Anka Sangang Yam Palm them. They had it. Kari notion to Anbamani. Anka Mota Topa subject, Lobi, hire Magadia Topa Logo, Angang Yami Manpudu. Adu, considering the importance of mathematics, Professor Dr. Nimanohita, Hibiramidu. Basic science, maybe even life science, chemistry, physics, biology, when you go deeper, Manungda Yam Changsan Lagani, mathematics background, the Kawera. Adu York Tabana subject to Kangbangamaktab. Hangdra, further deeper Sangbangamaktab. Masimayamsi Yanguraga, mathematics is a basic of subject. Basic Hangdaba, as a Kaibiam, they have say Kanki. Ada, I wonder, Professor Nimai, was on a Kari Kalaga, Uncle Lurino, high. Madura Egonda, Matamada is Hatra, owing that 59. 59, Matamada Uncle was isolated. Was all isolated and Kamaita Uncle Lurino, say, I'm not striking with question oil. Madugi answer, I wonder, oh, do Iragi. How I dare to offer Matamudi additional mathematics, elementary mechanics and science has Uncle my low noise. Maduma Kitan Tamjuri, Madudal lady see, Engonda Maduma Lake here, the Aina, Madumadi, Mayamsu Park, Yam telling it, Karakatan. The Atopamana Aina Sato in it, Angang in it. I'm the Waki, Uncasi, Haidiam Haining, but Hiving Amdava. The Kandabangata. When Tamaisi class 6, house in Manipuri medium near Haidana, Ankasitam, science. Saben Yoragana, Uncle English Uncle. Class 6 power, class 3 at Riding Hore, Equi, Quinatamisi, arithmetica, geometry. But the Yawivata Mayam, Maulik, some part of I can yam yaw, I'm not a hungry, not a geometry issue, corn, somocon, pratyabati corn, chatudbhus, tribhus, amata koilon, amata, hungry high noise. But somehow I muck up a quiver of Papusalaga, was an ampui, kari haino partia parti konsi kari haino aja akoi di kari haino khangdamina lai tu oron tena haro ojana kamlak ta akoi long pen ju site ha pen ngakta ni mata yam phui ba ado ojana phu budi tanna lai tam tok pa su yam yaw ki matam da adoi matam da na ye sa ju di masi angka gi loje maulik prime number sampada utpad machin mayam masi kari kanu mayam khangdo mayam si akoi lon de I di ba so on thong nwai thren de ko na kanam de ibin of later jala kai si angang oi de khan hi that was the idea before me science the sungai mathematics in particular geometry the algebra algebra lo kan expression poly amat chimpa pu bong atani karim ta kari haino ji khang de bong atane hanana class 6 fauna sanskrit natra bengali na iramba 7 yogari English mo khalakpa from foreign to foreign from unknown to unknown unknown dagi unknown number torpada yam wa gi matam tu satro joi khale masi amtu metironda itho di phandai khal dan advain tawna MSc loire ai career ram dai haijar roi loire ga oja ore oja su ai amda high school oja ore mi oja ai ba si LP school gi oja da di ore te I know because high school was higher secondary, the private college was then college was honors power, then university was university class, the other DM college. Right from class, school level, master's level was more than 50 years. Masina Saturday, in particular, there are difficulties in mathematics. I feel away. Luckily, Bharat Sarkar na National Translation Mission maruina terminology sigi project amo yam chaw na pasa madugi marum sum background yam nei gre adi Soviet after Second World War loir matungda Cold War gi matamda Soviet Russia ga matamda Soviet no Russia gi Russia da Soviet Union ga adi block anisi tawna bada American Western world is moi stun to give si moi ndi am hantana khalaba Americans na Russian sing si moi di leibam bhaw lei taba ing holam ni kaim te yamna chakhot ta bden khalu du ai giro taman khalu du space ta di Sputnik thagala puda American sing they were stunned ai khoi de yam thi hen gre Russia na kari do me Russia ni asu thi hen si kari no si Russian Kennedy himself, mathematics translation I myself also did translation mere publication Russian method no mathematics ki study basic science adugi matau tambara kaino khongdi India gi su adi MSc level bhawa leiba foreign language da leiba maru in English da leiba lai mayam se loina masi translate to haiba National Translation Mission maduga hoji terminology point to which is Professor Amu su sab ai ga diaw wi re ma la meta ai se seru ye Professor adi Navasandra adi gi Professor Bubon ai su yaw jiru masu to ru badagi terminology is important way masi angang singda basic subject khangan bada akoi lon khangan bada oya se feel tawjegi hoji ahal ore ai sei marfu sudore basal during my last stage of my life and to get khalisi angon leisi ani khatane one is to popularize mathematics come down satra na ki vise masi ki dana ba it is a very beautiful subject yam nungai ba logical thinking logic takpi ba reasoning ai bise asumba aran bai si ga aran bai siga how to differentiate kari na masi asumba ga aran ba kari differentiate tauge si yam luwani asumba isi kanana hai bada Mahatma Gandhi jo hairam ya asumba isi Mahatma John Keats hai truth is beauty is truth kai Swami Vivekananda many of them they said asumba gi damakta thwai thau kai asumba du kai is scientific truth, mathematical truth. What is mathematical truth? Paul says no kind of truth. Sagi Jatom Sharma Habiram, scientific reasoning. logic na yado poto. For example, khudom ta haijage physics oja ama ada college the university the sun is a natural fusion kaina ta ure chatra ta iman fusion process ni ga mayum yorga surya deva narayana khurame ada laboratory ada chatra dana fusion ni natural fusion reactor ni reaction ni ta ure halaga mayum dana ay mata hogalaga surya deva narayana karam mano sumbi surya deva narayana aduga fusion react natural fusion reactor is confused away and scientific God like I don't know God like was not about like this hideable lazy hideable third amalay agnostic or adu me amnesu adum di oraga region na proof to the region na yado potu thajo yadia sai ya tom samai du uma swine to hogala podu region du khang the lie winning ever a reason to peer can you all see lie with them the talking so once science is quite all we in any share must see superstition never we are quite society superstition lagi ha nimit asi logo phai hai na mayam traffic jam thu ise ai sa ngang je roi aduga professor nimai na hairam bodo engonda it was a striking point to me so I express very little kitani ijeriba yam thagani ngai oi asugumba khoi da sai so habi documentation later documented when legacy I like Kasu, Yanjare at the Atil of the Smina, Loina, record Tumba, record to Dukanaba, a palm, a Kamun decision, but it is a document. But the start of we have a pot, Perani, my Algo, Washalapanina, Yam Sangamusu, Adi Matamsulatum, Yam Sangamusu, hiding with the Yam Legre, I know, Zip Tokjaba, terminology, Matanda, Sumba, an elite audience among the young hiding money. Why am I point of what term current hiding money? Professor Jibonjing acting Paminabada, perhaps he was Amutu Iwari Sadri, Kasi Tansarudana, Professor Singating Pamudana, why am I in a Hybida? He was impressed. I impressed with Madam de Masi Yam Sanamatam Tadaraba was the Wakanyam Tadarabane, Masia Mutanga in the seeding it up. Before I lived the world, terminology, I the popular Romayam Lobiba. Ozato Masarmana Sembra Wahisa, Hinkup Isha. Is it your creation? This microkimoto Hinkup Ibisa? Are you the? Yes. Hojikimasi, Mayam Hinkup is a Hainer. In the beginning, many people criticize him. He usually telephone to Rewa Hinkup. I very good. Hinkup Mayamna, my I think Akupa, Hinkup. Very good. Similarly, Wahikara, I should point out, like Masa, like Habia did, book like Masu Ivaruda, Mayam Pabu, Adu Shendoko, Asoiba Krisu. For example, prime number is Karma Hain. At the Yam Maru, but the physicians, mathematics Satrana. Continuum, space time continuum. Continuum, I visit Carino. How to. What is continuum? Adu continuum je am high. Ate subject my am continuum why seen here. But material only carry high. Since my am wakanyam hadaraga credit or imagine Kanabu again and Kali as I was only my Dr. Nimana Habigido. Aduna must see basic science, basics like really once somebody is strong in basics, he can pursue in any part, in any branch. And basic we Manunda, Changalumatamda. It becomes Sangbaya Daba, Sangbangam Daba, penetrate to one of the port wherever.
I'm like Ubida. I have them like forward spagally, prepaska, acknowledgement. Other forward like Sina can inspire to go get a I'm not pretty sure. But the forward written by my friend Runendran even said it is something different, something unique. I am like say textbook keep forward in some da, I am Pamasamda, like Timdanga, Tagapa Kukatpa, Dutopa, see things not useful to the research scholars, etc. Seeing Altani, Aduga Magi style of presentation, forward writing is very, itself is very inspiring. Aduga preparation, I am from the Orthoduna, Kari Heiningano, Kari Irubano. kamaina present toribno habna sim wahi se I am dan palli aduga ojani magi say it is actually is also really inspiring magi effort toribo to toribo thabak se adigi tungi document am thamu ba se ki ukho haibra sumnyam changam udo adugi aduna khurum saraka tongi thamda da laijam ka ba adu madu ita aduni sangal ojamu bi bora pairaga school da phamaga ojano like tapiba so adugumba memorable events mayama ngasagi akoina su amadi tungdala kadwa mayamna su wari du paraganda kamai tongna horokibano habigi sabjawa message ma mami ma ta phang aduna kana gombigi biography pabda ngasagi magi horphangi mai culture gi he kano image ma he reflect hoy aina mamangai da satringai da kano Pakistan gi physics ke Nobel Prize phangba Abdul Salam hai phangta magi matang da mathematics India gi mathematics ki professor na maming kaukre Abdul Salam mina kano mi biography ma adu parwada magi wari na tabada ngasai gi magi Punjab saidor mane apopumje mane school kamatam da Hindu satra singra pun pun kamine ada mai mama pana haiba nang kan hono Hindu satra singduna ita thana first second ta gini hai mangon ita ta hai se wari boba adum ni sangai adimana kano se hojiki wari sida makoi gi society sida ngasai Punjab Lahore ni sing Punjab yam lei ba Hindu yam lei banina Muslim sing do influence to eva mrani makoi it kum tong tamda ayam tamda san jadi hai sab cam chung di khang de hojik wari du dio hojiki Hindu singduna Hindu Punjab sing influence to wodi moi se mitcha ta su yari gi bipti thadui khotui han moi culture adugumba wari example ke wani kana umi gi bar bi pa bada magi culture magi horpam adigi kamain horpa sigi he phang aduna koi gi su ai wari sing roine di padri ain pa bai bu ain i bu di pare ain bu di atei di padri atei di mako khar ga pare ojamu bagi a ma horpa bora pura school ka ba wari bo adigi siltani aduga en olejon gum pa ba ain thingam da ain engon impress to hai jege kenogi yang wathoi ba ke lagi raitam nei daina arun dati roi magi god of small things hana mali adik magi en olejon ja kyan ya thing unique ge bo ai mun phauja bada sentence wai makhan loi just one word horuk pata ko mana in rune to mi do adugi maming do thok hairaga full stop mai to I na pa thing bada something unique something different akoi desu angang ge desu akoi no cha tong nge so haire you try to do something different something unique from the rest haina adugi style singi aduna akoi na so mayam na average da tori mayam digi something different something creative something important you just try to do have a message ama he people jasina and hujiki arun jati roigi got small things have do ade the mag knowledge and some power with that am tina unique way adung sagi so ai ging asigi like ki kano je forward to something unique something different and something really inspiring
oja da hangui kari textbook no oja su khangde to bo paw dum hai adega amuk si tamni ama mitri phau kaugde chemistry gi Dr. Mitri du paw adu tamni hainu leire adegi demo thamani lerga silongi ojama esen polus paw kaugde magi chemistry du tamdong ni nom leire madugum adjust tong no hone adegi botany lawdi ankagal puya botany zoology ne tongan lerani biology lerero mu hai adegi zoology de khara hangoi gan mani na kana punte botany lo gum ankal lo ya ro mu hai mami thang de botany se thado e adegi the mukaudri 1962 gi January gi tarik tere circular malae biology is leirani pure botany pure zoology tawro emu haire adegi aise marang na kalak chamber discollege phata biology se aduna chemistry ga physics ga mathematics ahum sidani thari se marang khangdi oja sing su hangum to adu pau pai thai gyan ta thank you adu main to dana ngauri adun to na du su letter am khak phangi angkada लोइखरे TDC सो फर्स्ट बैच नि ऑनर्स ता चाही अनि पार्ट 1 हाइरे अदे थर्ड इयर दुना पार्ट 2 हाइरे मदसु अदुम करी हाइनि ओजा सिंह छि थोदोंना मोय बखोन सावबुसु नते ओजा सिंह जु तंबिबम खंगदब जानि अदुना खरा सुम हौरपसिना अमु 1965 त BSc ऑनर्स सुन नाचन फंगे पिलानी दा अमु इंजीनियरिंग तमने न चले आर इंजीनियरिंग तंबसु फंगद्रे नंग मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट की नॉमिनी न तमना नंगी मार्क्स ने कोई चन देन प्रोफेसर अमलेरमी असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर होबा मान अमुक करी हाइगी नंग BSc ऑनर्स सोयदन फंगनी हाइरे अदु BSc ऑनर्स फंगदोरब नंगना another 4 years for a B degree amagi damakte sahi mari mangan dosi karigino nang pangse leram dong mande nang MSc try toro gi MTech toro sahi mari gi matung nang MTech oben hena phatra ga to de khudak ta moi se science faculty da tamba hore adaso muk challenge ni challenge karam ba challenge no da moi da ihan han ba MIT gi makha da semester system introduce to bani aina ahan ba khallu bane sahi makhai da parikha tawdung ni kisu kai parikha ma da para loire khallu badei de moi gi dudi subject amam da parikha ohum lak theory paper manga digi internet assessment tranga rak pham do werame ahan ba parikha da huji phawning sangi aibu tambi ba mathematics tambi ba oja du SK Sharma na ai mathematical physics ki vector da to idu number kun manga gi तो बना इसे तरुक खक फंगे मान ऐंगोन दे चाहिए बसे नंग असुक राम लाग नंग सी खक फंगी न कई दोले चाक चार के होते न तुम ले रगा न मुझे तीन चाहिए अरे दे ऐसे नुंगाई तो न लाइक ऐसे ले मम्मा से सुमाय पादो वेरे न सुम होन तो फॉलो तो बंग मक तो बाहर ता स्टेप खर दे अदु बोदुम somehow फॉलो तो रे अरे दे अनि सुबह परीक्षा दो 20 मार्क्स के तो सेम वेक्टर एनालिसिस ता 20 marks की पुंग की परीक्षा तो 19.5 marks फंगे मधुसमा जगोई साबजानी प्लेफर दिस बॉय हैज इम्प्रूव्ड लाइक एनीथिंग आई हैव डिडक्टेड स्पेशली हाफ मार्क काइजन रको अदुमायना तवे सुगुमबगी चैलेंज म सुम हौना इंसांग हाइगद्रा हौदोकबगी चैलेंज म सुम लाई 67 अगस्त याक्सी DM कॉलेज दा फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट जॉइन तौरे अदुदगी युं कई पाले मथंग सुम चंगलकपना 1967 अदायदा मयाम थाने यदना टीचर फेलोशिप से थाबनी UGC टीचर फेलोशिप थाबदा खल्ले फैकल्टी इंप्रूवमेंट प्रोग्राम की मे की तारीख 1977 दा इसे मो थादोए डिब्रुगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी तौरे आइने थिन फिल्म की नमक्तनी इन तौसे आइना MSc तंबा पास तो 1967 अदायदा कोई की ऑर्गेनिक सेमीकंडक्टर्स एंड थिन फिल्म से कन तौरगा थिन फिल्म ट्रांजिस्टर फिल इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर से याम इंटरेस्ट में खकुम लेहिबदगी थिन फिल्म जे सिदांतंग दे तौनिंगे येंगनिंगे इसामकी एक्सपेरिमेंटल ने येंगनिंगबगी वाखल मसुम लेहिबदगी ओजा कमल बरुवा ना मले इंगोनगी सही अहुमलोम हाली मान पास तोबा अदुमाय दे चलगा हायरे मानसु याम हरा हरक तोबिरे अरे दरगा सम थागे UGC द नंगी फॉरवर्डिंग म पियु खोलमाय सोय नि चिंगलोर खलक्तन कवे अदु मासु इंगोंदा थोदोंन मतेंग पांगबा हायगद्रा पांगदबा हायगद्रा आई थोदोंन कसु हाइनिंगाय लेते अलमेरा अनि खक्सिद लेरे स्टिल अलमेरा अनि से नंग पांब पोक लोइन यावरमनी सो पाइरो दुग यारे चथरो हायंगोन ऐसे 26 कंपाउंड तौबनी कोईगी 35 का 26 का कोई कंपाउंड सेमीकंडक्टर है ना अरे कैडमियम सेलेनाइड तवे अदु था त्रेड हौग्रबाबा इलेक्ट्रिकल मेजरमेंट फंगबंगम दबदगी याम निंगब काइही बतांगदुदसु आइंगोंदा लाइदि थाजे या मैं गॉड से मैं पनब याब यादबस मैं खर हाइनै अदुबा आई बिलीव इन गॉड अदेदा अनसिन हेनमा नमतेंग पांगबदौना आई तौख्रे अदगी मरक सिदा इसे पॉलीमर दसु मुक तौरगेना पॉलीमर एनक्लोसाइक्लोपीडिया मयाम अमा था मरी मंगा मुक पारे अदु कोनंगदा 26 कंपाउंड चंगंगरे हानब पेपर न चिंग फोंगरे अदु आइना कोई मार्केटी सेलेनाइड से तब कान सोली शॉर्ट पेपर मखक ले होल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कई भाव यावदे अते -14 डिग्री अदायदे एमोर्फस ओय हाइबा मखक सेंटेंस तरा मरी मंगा खकी शॉर्ट पेपर मखक फंगी फिजिकल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मसी दोंते येंगेन सुम तौदे ऐसे -14 द प्रिपरेशन तौबसे काम हाइन तौदो न मदुगी मयाम सेटअप म तौरे टेक्नोलॉजिकली अदुगा फंगे कैरेक्टर से एमोर्फस कैरेक्टर दे फंगन कंफर्म तौनिंग बनी फिजिक्स की मदाय दनी याम कन्ना इंगोंद चैलेंज म लाखे से अरे BHU दा मैम चुम मथंग मथंग ओजा सिंह कंटेक्ट तौबदगी ओम कार्नर श्रीवास्तव है नमलेरमी ON श्रीवास्तव है मा ओंदा हाइनन तौदी अक्टूबर की तारीख 1980 दा नंग लाख यानी है अदु निमित तरानी मुक्तिनी इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप तो ओनली फिल्म स्ट्रक्चर दु वेरीफाई तौनो चटपनी मदद थेंगने की बस चैलेंज ने आई हुई फाउ काउद्रेसे अन लोनब ग्लास सबस्ट्रेट प्रिपेयर तब फिल्म मेटेरियल पूरे मधुगी स्ट्रक्चर येंब कान मान आयोर कई हाइगेबू ए सिगुम्बदुदी कदाइदि येंग यादगे अखोई सबस्ट्रेट डिपोजिट तौदोंनी अदुगा ट्रांसमिशन इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप की ग्रिड डिपोजिट तौदोंनी खोतोंनी हाइ आई सर ऐसे सुमाइन तौबनी आई यामसु नौरी सिगी कैडमियम मार्केरी सेलेनाइट से 1980 जदाइदनी अदु फिल्म मैजिदी सबस्ट्रेट की मतुंगना स्ट्रक्चर याम चेंज तवी याम नुंगाइबा मन मयामसु थंगनबिरमनी आइदनतना थिन फिल्म तव यामबिरमबे याई सेम मटेरियल से सेम सोर्स तगी इवापोरेट तोरगा वेपर स्टेट तगी मसी कलेक्शन तव कांदा सबस्ट्रेट तुगी स्ट्रक्चर सबस्ट्रेट तुगी टेंपरेचर मरुवेना अनी सिदा याम डिपेंड तवी एज वेल एज लेवल ऑफ वैक्यूम अदु मसीगी मतुंगना स्ट्रक्चर से याम थिन चेंज तवे अदा आईदी ग्लास डिपोजिट तब फिल्म दा स्टडी तौरगा आई स्ट्रक्चर दी स्ट्रक्चर खंगनिंगबनी आई हुजि लाई मैम से मांग तारबरा ए अदु कमाइन तौनी सिदि ओथोक्ते हाय आर्गुमेंट कन्ना तौनरे नुमिनिनी मुक्से याम कन्ना येनर मतुंग दाइन हाय आई सुमसुम मेथड मखै तौगे मसिदो ओजाना याबिरा फॉर्म भार हायदना केमिस्ट्री की ओजा सिंग खंगबि बयावरंगनी सेलुलोज एसिटेट से इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप स्ट्रक्चर देशने आई मसिदिस आई सुमाइना फिल्म मेटेरियल से लौथोगा मंगोंदा स्केटर तौरगा मधुगी सोल्यूशन दुगे लौखलगा अखोगी इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप ट्रांसमिशन इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप की कॉपर ग्रिड अनमली मदई माउंट तौरगे अदुगा आई स्ट्रक्चर से एग्जामिन तौबियो हाइसिमा सुया यादरे अस आई हाई मंगोंदा मखोंग पाइदे द खाए दे मान है सी यारोय हाई एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम थाब कान नंग फिल्म मेटेरियल से पाइथोकिनी खोटोकिनी निमिनी नुसे ngangnare ai chabaga changdi ada laiba asaduga loisallamdai gi thesis ki marol mattam su time bound ni kondangdai na mangonda haijabadagi fare yenga si hana ma yamsu thagalami mamai dai ngonda adai di moidi sumnagi prepare torga material di solid structure dagi khara picture halaga madugumba ngakta sum structure analysis tobu oirame BHU da mattam dura अरे फिल्म मोई क्या तौरमद्रे अदे मसी तौरे कॉपर ग्रिड से लौरे ग्रिड है पिसक पिप पोनी 150 अखोगी स्क्वायर ग्रिड पर स्क्वायर मीटर ने पर स्क्वायर mm दा याम पिकपनी अद मतोंद डिपोजिट तौनो होना सी तौरे यारे ए समझन जरगे डिसिकेटर दाइन प्रिपेयर तौरगा थमे नो मथंग नुमसे दai हायर असैन मंगोंद हायरम दे कबलाक निक पसी आई प्रिपेयर तौरे सारंग तो ये अंतु मतमदुदा खंगनबनी हाना खंगनबसु नते अरे मंगोंदा हायरे सार यंगबिरो मसे अस नंग हायजे सारमाई थारी थाजेखिद्रे दको सोयदना पाइथोकिनी कोने पाइथोखरसु यारे अदुगा पाइथोक्तरे केंगबो वेल एंड गुड पाइथोखरसु आई योजरगे हायरे इन मंगोंदा अदेदि मा लाग माउंट तौरे आई अदाय भावदे लाइसि करी दौनो सोबो नंग उदो गायरे ने वारी सिगान तौदगिदि पाइथोक्तरे फजना इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोग्राफ से फंग कान मान थोंद शर्मा यारे आई हैव लर्न ए लेसन फ्रॉम यू हैड मान एंगोंद नुमितुदा करी हाइनी एनकरेजमेंट पी हिबदुनी एंगी लाइफ के चोब चैलेंज हाइस माइन तोंग तोदे मथंग आइना -14 डिग्री द प्रिपेयर तो -20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड प्रिपेयर तो देन नियर खोगी करी हाइनी मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाइबा मसले 2/3 मेल्टिंग पॉइंट अदु 1/3 मेल्टिंग पॉइंट गायबा मा खोगी सुम स्टडी तो पैरामीटर अदा सेम मार्करी सेलेनाइट से यामन साब सबस्ट्रेट टेंपरेचर अमद डिपोजिट होल कांदना नसागी क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर से फजन फंगमबदु देइसे सुक्की मत नुंगाइग्रे याम चावब चैलेंज मखदुमाइना तौरगा इसे 1982 दा मे की तारीख मरी द PhD फंगे सुम चंगसन लखपदुना ओजा होइबने मथंग इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज की CDTI की करी मयाम तौरे पार्ट टाइम वन एम इदुसु सही अमनी तम लेजर में अदगी 2003 31 December रिटायर तौरे रिटायर तौर मतुंग सुम प्रशांति निलयम नमले साई बाबा के आश्रम ने मोगी यूनिवर्सिटी से 1995 ताइन यूनिवर्सिटी उब कांदा आई असुकी मति पुंग द पाम की मोगी लेरिबा खुतंबी छात्र सिंधुगी व्हाइट पैंट व्हाइट शर्ट तौरगा लेरिबा छात्र छात्री बिहेवियर से पामदगी ओजा से अंतंग ओइनिंग्रे दा खले अदु फंगदोंगी मानदे थाजदी मरमदी नाक की असेसमेंट ए डबल प्लस ने अदगी फ्री नि टोटली फ्री क्लास हेक क्लास 2 है तंबदगी ना MBA भाव फ्री ने ख्वाइदगी चावो डिपार्टमेंट से MBA ने 55 इनटेक ने 30 आउटसाइड 25 इनर एन अदु MBA हांगब कांदा लेहिबो वारी सिंदुदे ngasiде लिजर रोय अदु माइना तोबगी सनोसदेस्ता ऐसे मोय खंगना रमने सुम सेवादोल की चटप के दो सुम नंगु न रिटायर तोरे जो हाई PhD नि जो हाई अदुगा नहा सु याम माली यूनिवर्सिटी ओजाओ यादरे कनान खंदुरिबा आई बोय ते कई याबरा याव नंग या चटब यारो ngasiदी मयाम उन हंदब यादे जानकी रमन नमले रमी सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर मानी याम कनिंग द प्रेस तोर से लोइनबो उनहले रजिस्ट्रार दगी हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट करके सुमुनो कांद फिजिक्स की हेड से इन 2 इयर्स सीनियर रोय मंगोंदगी मा 69 की छात्र ने MSc अंडर यूनिवर्सिटी की आइना 67 की MSc ने अने आई सुमाइन तोर सुमाइन पास तो ने सर बायोडाटा आम तक कनो पीबीरो दुगा येंग सेन तोर आई सबमिट तोरे 2009 की 20 जनवरी दगी तंबीबा होई मोय दु BSc ऑनर्स के हाना तंबी अदगी MSc तंबी अदु अंदोंग न थिन खेनगरे मसी मयाम ने चपीरगा येंग जुखंगनी सही कुंथा मरी मंगा सिदो ओजा ओइर मतुंगदा मफम दु ओजा ओइ संगबदा इसे कबलाक नि याने हाम नुमित मोय हाइजे सर तंबी दु रिपोर्ट ए अखोगी करी हाइनी मैग्नेटोस्टैटिक्स तंबी हान सेकेंडरी ऑनर्स ता अदु मैग्नेटोस्टैटिक्स नि सुसि मतांग नि तंबी दु रिसे अदु टेक्स्ट बुक करी पाव दरकार होइनी रेफरेंस टेक्स्ट करी पाव दरकार होने अखोइदा हाइबिरो पाजरगे अदुगा मसीगी एप्लीकेशन मसीगी पाक चाव सिन्नब याव मयामदु ताकपियु हाय अखोइ स्वाइददी अमुक तंबीरनी नोसु पीरनी परीक्षादा हंगद्रा हंगोद्रा इंपोर्टेंट पियु हाइब गांतने मयाम थेंगनरिस अखोइ थोक पाजगे अदु तौदुरिस मदुगी फर्दर कनो ताकपियु हाय अदु मायना अमुक MSc फाइनल दा सेमेस्टर अमगे सरो म यारे आदे नुंगाइबमना ngasi mathe namoina world की तोंगान यूनिवर्सिटी दगी ओजा मयाम लाई कनाडा दगी टेक्सास दगी मेक्सिको इवन चाइना जापान दगी लाई इटली दगी लाई मोसे लेमना लारी तंबी बम लाई हाई अदो अखोइसु मतम खितंग तंबीरुगेन लाकपनी अदो मानो मोइन तोरसे थामा खायमा तंबीरंबा कुन्नी तंबीबा दगी तरानी दम सुमचा खिबा गाक्तनी आइगी दिमो नेनो साइंस हांगबा कांदा थर्ड सेमेस्टर दो नो खया पेपर मा फिजिक्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ थिन फिल्म है नेनोदी मयाम है खंबीरी दुंगाई अकुप केनो गाक्तनी थिन फिल्म टेक्निक नतरी उपाय लेते मसी सिंथेसाइज तौनो होनो असली अखोई सायराम है खंगनी मिंग गौनदी सायराम से पेपर में यावरी सिदी अखोई कनामते थिन फिल्म तोर पुसी यावदे सिदी सायराम तंबी गिने अय PhD तौरी इनी खोलिने तौरी दी अदु माइन तौदना पेपर नो फुल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लौरगा 7 इयर्स में तंबीरमी सेमेस्टर अम यम नुंगाई 2016 की 31 मार्च तो मोगी प्रोजेक्ट तो लोरे 7 इयर्स प्रोजेक्ट ने अदु माइन तंबीरमी सोफा मसी भावनी हेबो हेतोबे मयाम खरगा तुंगिनबा केरोबो तोबदगी टेक्स्ट बुक की खरामा इरुरे अम तौरुरे अदगी अमु हनु थंग मु रिसर्च नमु तौरे दगी मु तंबीबा केदोबो सुम चथर कांदा लाइफ की केनोदा इना हाइनिंग बाहाइबो रिसर्च तो बाहाइबसे थेंग मंगनबगी वाफम केमते लेते तौबददी राइट टाइम एंड द राइट प्लेस म दरकार होय आई तौदुरसि करिनो इना पामसि कैनो हाबे एममदी अदुम हाना थंबसिमदी याम दरकार होय तुंगदा हौरिबो सिंगै हाइजनिंगबा बसिनी अदुगा पाबु पारबा हुजिक्ति पानिंगाई मचाक्ति वात्रे पानब थोम लेरे अदुगा आइना सुम पांगिबनी ngसागी MSc की छात्र ओइरिङेदा अखोगी थिन फिल्म ट्रांजिस्टर थिन अखोगी TFT एन थिन फिल्म फिल्ड इफेक्ट FET हाइबमले अखोगी FET सी फिल्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर हाइबनी मसिदा सानरिब रोल सी गेट की रोल सी थिन फिल्म्स गाक्तनेबा मदुदनी आइगोंदा थिन फिल्म्स ता रिसर्च तोंबगी मतांग मा आइगोंदु पीखिरिबा अदुगा फर्दर खर खितंग सुम चंगलुबदनी कैसु नते सिदी याम पानरुरगेदी अदु सुम terminology gi ama oja jentana su palami madumai tawjo yawjurure translation tawbugi ama huji engagement ama lei adu e basi yam sonjel lakon tore right hand ji e yadre adu first quarter haudi 1/4 haudi loire translation tawraga ama print tawraga thaga dabi ngai lei ngam sum phagi sahi marfu ga tha tor mu surega jo hai panji yangubda gyan tab janati live se duna research to boy si yam nungai ba jani mase yam nungai any film num to bu yare hujiti yam leira do especially nano science today mase culminating point of all sciences hai physical science and the life science mayam si loina ba phamma banina food technology lore lak pa yawi adigi chemical engineering lo bu lak pu yawi adigi biology stream digi lak pu yawi adu mai to no moi si tambina bo honaru pa gi art ni engon da muk experience ma ka ainu phangi se karam hain torga moi de approach torga tak hogode ge 12 level de ge hogolaga sum to noi thengnare dana sumain tore na si tore dana hairaga tak pa masi su art am ne khali yam nungai mase kana gumba oja sing tambi ba yor hen interested hoini duna ai kitang ai gi experience ma ka phangba sumaina sum to bani kar kitang nimaina haidana yu en nam den khari ge arana chung thengna ba khara sum gi badani soiba lanba yaurasu pabi yam ngakpi gani ai makti larik to udi asai do cover di khar ure asu copy amtang sung dei gi na khali matam kuina sigumba thabak singsida kumang chaksun to bi bo oisno madu punamak to ngamhan bi bo oisno aduna ngasai god hani yam panagi aina sum tajarak pada god is a generator organizer and resolutor of the world drama hai adu masi punsal laga god is oibani haidana generate sumana tawbani sustain tona thami sumana ni matam oratna loksan ke sumana ne do ani pungning handak ti yam nungsi select kangru gi hogdo minar ko imanaba amani sum leihidre nan hogi bada soratha loigre oh haina khoi sum khalai ai gi nakai dongi oidono ga je khalak tab dinati nebu yam nungai bajani life se sum ayamna isorna thaudan bi bo isno sigumba se afaba thabak singji matung dasu mathang progression to bangamba nimaida ansin henduna thongna pi bi bo isno si hairaga sum no sinja
like si phungbasi masi akhoi asengba pandam singi manungda amani we the founding members of the Research Institute of Science and Technology RIST Imphal thought that it will be valuable to produce this book, Inspirations from the Scientists of Manipur, containing brief and pertinent profiles of around 50 scientists from our states. Masi akoina amna nungajari si masigi 50 kanosigi manungda article ibirapasigi manungda aikoina hana Manipur Association for the Promotion of Science 1994 da akoigi Mahatma Gandhi Evenu Gandhi Memorial Hall haitare masida akoina hanba felicitation tawwa akoi howi Manipur gi sakna riba senior citizens singse veteran scientists singse masi akoi kitang regard to thokpa habi wakhalung ga loina mari ka khan howi Dr. Nanda Babu Roy medicine dagi aduga mathematical science dagi professor K. Rajan aduga agricultural sector dagi Khurajam Dhiren magi KD series puthokpagi aduga engineering section dagi na hawam angang ema magi role na koigi jiri lambi sigi yatpada man normal role sing nising boina mari si yana na koigi felicitation tawre bodonga si sing jar ko haitare moi me am gi si da yauri bani tarago humdo shure ko ne felicitation tawjeri singa mang lingsim bir bawda mu yaugiri adigi oja kano su koigi hoite su le biramba kano su yawi wa ji to masarma koi popular scientist oina science popularizer oina koi felicitation to mai to traum do si koi matam hung to sida only amakakang hawam angai banatana atai di loina moksi si manung si challe haina ai khangje luxury sensu challe ana masi yamna nungai jaba haibitare numitu da Dr. Nanda Babu Roy sing sai koi wajabu wajana si kakalak bisi masi kakalak bisi khangning ning sing ai Dr. Nanda Babu Roy si mai si phibom da masai wajana bisi kakalak bisi degi mana mo khare han usilab haitare काखत पंगम से तमो मोतीलाल ना खुद चमगा कोई अमनी पाएगा तमना स्टेज काखलगा मासे हान बने वांगंगल लेबा कोई किदंग बोर्ड पीबिरम मोहन माने करे हागेबो इनाउसा इसा सा ngasi na koi na koi aibu koi bo felicitation pibiribo aise nanda babu roise karim bai nan hawri ngana pibiram tarba I shall be another nanda babu roi ngasi ki oriban nanda babu roi sidigi he na wangba nanda babu roi mo oirum bayai matam da koi inspiration haiba sumbo amabo legi deba koi matam da adana masi yamna phaba amani hanman episode tawigi bai tar koi encourage pibiram ya yam noi je bai tar Almain tora matang pibir kat mahugi duna hawiti tarahum de shuhre lakado ba koi list me amama leiri tungda lakado ba koi veteran scientist gi aru ko heroine na diaspora mayamama national and international level leiri ba mayam sing sia koi na masi shu koi na felicitation to gi program hoje ba gi wakalon koi adum leijari ada marwai na hawiti Hanagi Manipur Association for Promotion of Science ki heroine na sigi Research Institute of Science stakeholders na marwai awang bathaki research from the kharena focus tawba sigi wakalon go loina na jangsin jarakne sigi larik sigi ngasai mangsu panbigi ba akoi tamara nendra na tamo RS longjam akoi na tamo haire mana pibi ge ba magi forward che ngasai oja dhaneswan habi ge ba panan aigon si feel tab je yam nungai je bai ta tamo style of writing se adagi aina sum lokut chabada ko tamone ibiri bisi biographies and autobiographies have been model life stories for young aspirants and many adopted as guiding methods of their future lifetime ibiri bisi sisu yamna phajaba wahini aina ai logje aduga akhoi gi wajani mai su phajana ibibani magi forward ta haibitare as editor moina man haibisi These inspirations from scientists of Manipur, published by RIST, is designed as a collection of personal autobiographical narratives and memoirs of some renowned scientists of Manipur. I know, with an aim to inspire the young minds and budding scientists of this region. Sigi level bahauti ngasi generation sigi level bahauti si leire tungda lakaba generations and generations makal lakado mayam do maduda hen wangkatpa hen phaba hen masak tokpa national and international level ki thakda awang thakda thabak tawro scientists mayam ma tholbo oiresunu haibagi wakalunga loinena sagatchabane aduna sida book form na thamo ba haibase masi yam importance way natraga loin kawidoni akoi hana thawai yam warame When a felicitation pigiba veteran scientists ki magi life stage bangang me khangora la bhai gi pocket pase lai bidu hanaki si like se di loina physic phaja na koi gi date nung yauna koi gi masana ibiramba family ne ibirakpa ari collection ibirakpa tasil erakpasina koina angang sing da soina maki history of science Manipur gi naina ku matamda masi soina maki yamna phaba document ma organi habagi thaja basine ba ingona leisure and books are very important in a valuable society. There is an inextricable link between the books and the people. Say hajaningi Barbara Tukmena hagibese I quote, books are the carriers of civilization. Without books, history is silent, literature is dumb, science crippled, thought and speculation at a standstill. Unquote. Yampuzavane mana Barbara Tukmena haimis. She ningsing mumathau tai. A good book can inspire the youth and ignite their minds. Masima koi ningsing garong. Arvind Square na iba masamak si physicist mathematician werigasu mana Dublin University the peak magi lecture series da compile torga mana what is life like masani am people masani ngon copy lai high level lyrics si parvadagi Swamanan Chandrasekhar Simana College ki competition amara fast era like present torko that book was Internal Constitution of the Star, written by the great Arthur Eddington, astrophysicist, not even like that. Madugi like to Parvati go, Bumutamda, Chandrasekhar Masamasin, decision of might. One day I am sure I shall be a great astrophysicist like Arthur Eddington. Leave Krabaner. My decision like to inspect of him. Adnamana, Tamatang Satraku Mamitanga, The Birth and the Death of a Star, Sanasego Limit Putoga Nobel Prize, no reason. Manakarigumba, Atari didn't like say, Internet Constitution of Star Paramdragadi. Masi Atopa Pillam of the Pormasia. She the impact of book is very, very important. Masi Agang, the scholars in the we come to talk ties. I think a move a quick textbook of advanced trigonometry. Well, Lonigi, SL Lonigi, trigonometry. Amadi Kargi, synopsis of elementary results in pure and applied mathematics. Sigi, Larixina, Srinivasaramanansi, inspired Torga Magi, innovative and creative mathematical world. Creative women. Metikatu Paso Vimana, the great legendary of mathematician, Indian mathematician, who could upside down the wall of mathematics in Cambridge University. Yamna Tamdani, Yan. I see my sister like influence speaker, Adugumba, Amanebako. Even I go Russell Carson Ibiramba, 1962, the Irga, Washington, D.C., the Pongiva, Silent Spring have election. America, former Vice President Al Gore Masamakida, inspired P, politician, which Regisu, Aduna, President when a Port Epomatum, the mighty Regisu Mana, Hanjilaga, Silent Spring among Piggy, but green mindset to the base Torga. Climate change issue that Prithvi the labor scientists, my arms, interact with climate change issue, the work over the the art, the sea around us, the art in a balance, the Horga, and inconvenient prudent simba, our choiceness like man, but inspector, election, silent spring election, inspector, Nobel Prize, low hidra, Dr. R.K. Pachoriga, share to him. She impact of books name. Even a quick the first Nobel laureate of India, and not only India, and whole Southeast Asia, first physics Nobel laureate was Professor Sibiraman. Masina, the light of Asia, have like Shiga. Euclid's geometry, Shiga Anishina like Anishina, influenced with Mama Sound Iram. Professor Sibiraman. And Sumaito Dansagi, light Amamugi by impact. So we have a share with Kamutotai. Masigi. Iriba, without Nimani Putopiriba, editor Putopir like stuff. Science given a Pariana dust or physics, chemistry, mathematics, bioscience, biology, even biotechnology, Panama dust or ever. And Satramana, any discipline Negla Pomatanda, Margaret Sanaba role model Lobia, almost 20 young men Caleb. Madonna must be inspired to behave. I do give walk alone to never when young Kanahonazirish. I think young Wajabona. In 1993 and onwards, Manipur Association for Promotion of Science Lakraba Matunga, I went to school, college, Chalasalaga, Angang, interact over hockey. We like minded people, we Manipur University complex. Maduda Technikiba, class 6th Technikiba, Lashram Santra, Hangabuki, Kaxing in Nabodaya School, the Technique. Hariba Santa do, Nang Nahangi covered the Yawani, USA. Institute Amana, Maming the Corrigo Institute, Adramasi, Magi, Cryptography, Marilenaba, Amada, invite Torma to Pigadorena, in their Tadway Habagima, cover the Yorito. Santasi, Amna, Pavaitare. Adramasi, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Best Thesis Award Pangevani, Canada, the postdoctor Halamatunda, Iger, Madi Indian Statistical Institute Pushase, I said option Pangmanetaboxi, Adu. Mana ISI da option lower labor. And Masi Pasana walked or my works. And the Magi works, Kamugam appreciate the Gabo mathematics department. I am still legitimate. Whether invite our German mathematician Amaka. Like a wages and to a command tabani. Madura Wiki mathematicians in a Magi talk people or can hire. I get talk people lawyer, other I have Manipur, the Natana, India, the Natana, whole globe key. Incredibly young chaps in mathematics, mathematical science. Incredibly, my arms in Masakta Evmana. Aduki country, she Matamatang talk with Lasham Santa, with photograph, young Magi, area of interest, period. I have the Madu with a winning noise as a Manipuri. Yam the Pianja Habitareko. Adana Santasi, Adum Patana Yam Nahawena, Hoji, very young. But professor and head of ISI, Delhi name. Masaki class 6th Hungary. I think Matung Tower is Sandakanta. Masa was a Zentan, Hibirum, was a Sandakanta, was a Zentan, and the same people. Matamduda was an Nimachi, Goti University, like मागी ममा ओजा सामा ओरिएंटल कॉलेज अखोई केमिस्ट्री मसेनी मागा मागी ना ओजा सामागा चंद्रकांत की मपासे लागा डॉक्टर से लागा ओजा जगदीश चंद्र बोस टैलेंट सर्च की परीक्षा थाबसी ओजा ओइन गाइड तौबी हाय यार डांगांग से अमुक मास मैथमेटिक्स खर हाइने हाय तौदा अइन ओजा निमान हारे ओजा निमान लाइक टू लई मोगी सेट अमा लई वॉल्यूम 3 मधु ब्लू हिल थाले अइन कलेक्शन तौरे अरे ओजा जयंत सिनरगा ओजा अंगांग अमा सि जे कनसी चंद्रकांत से मासी अंक खर फै है मै जगदीश चंद्र बोस टैलेंट सर्च अमुक्तंग यहुन जेना कोई ग्रूम तौरे ओजा कनन फजना ताबी करे ओजा जयंत मदगिदी मासी वन टाइम ला दुम रोस्ट तौरे जगदीश चंद्र बोस टैलेंट फंग मतम अमदा ओजा जुगिंद्रो का फिजिक्स की आइगा कोनिसी मोई इनवाइट तौरे अंगांग सिंग टैलेंट हन तौबगी सर्च तौबगी मोई अवार्ड कन खनबगी सिना मधुरंग मोगी डायरेक्टर डी सेन करे हेगिबो डॉक्टर राजमोहन नकोगी चंद्रकांत से असम चंद्रकांत नतेको हौगी फाउदा फने पुथोलगली बस सो मेनी बेंगोलीज अतो अतोपा होल नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न जोन गिने बिसि मसे पुथोकी बा याम गे रेकॉर्ड से अकोनी येंगो मतमदा मैथमेटिक्स की फील्ड दी चंद्रकांत की लेवल योगद्री है दे चंद्रकांत आल्सो शांति की मतुंग इलगा बेस्ट थीसिस अवार्ड फंगनी टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फंडामेंटल रिसर्च ता अदिग मा जर्मन चले पोस्ट डॉक तोरे हल्लाबो मतुंगदा मोय ओजा सिंग करेगेबो चंद्रकांत नंगना पोस्ट डॉक चलीबसे हल्लाको मतमना युम यौदिङैदा अखोगी टेफार लाकदौनी अदु नंगी फाइंडिंग सिंदो हाने प्रेजेंट तौरमगे युम सकदौनी गाय को मोय अदुगी लेवल थाजबीबने मोय अनमाइतर दे चंद्रकांत नाउ इज द असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट आइजर मोहाली दले मसी सुम में सॉरी एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ना को मसी ने बखुनी यामन नुंगाइजरि अदुगा गुम लेट अवार्ड थेंगनबा खांगबुक नतेसिना कनोगी थौबान की रघुमनी से अने खितंग पंजरीसी ngasa akoina se khitang sida koi tawbise akoin chamna ubu ma hokte nungai phokiro pai tar matamo angau ma koi sum chelamane ko cycle tonga adi luna tor tor ma sum thengne mo ya hokti akoi amana walk tare ragumani ma se IIT kanpur gi PhD lor matuna Krishnan fellowship lor ga bhabai to research center changi ba ragumani si hauji khut thekpa yaba sing manung ma si chale global level assessment very recently 2020 21 and 23 22 sahi ahum je thangna ahum je masi material science ki assessment ta ragumani si india gi ani khangal ko manung ma yawre hosi ragumani yam ngai man hui phangiba award si masing yame including fellow of National Academy of Science he is the first person to award this okay fellow of National Academy of Science phangse ragumani na manipur gon ahan bo ara yam phaje anak very recently ma Russia salaga topi aduma award pire phajana work tori my work material science ta baba to research center ta sigo mayam se sai ranjita hani yor ba koi IIT kanpur da physics department join tor bese magi husband orangone nikale my lamgi tomba koi 11 class thengna ban 10 class ta mo tam thengna hai masi cycle ama tonga oda idi like leibu ngamje da bani aduna oda gi thammi ba like mayam sing sidage koi engineering ga mari lena ba area pajiru ge ga bolum thamje ba medical gi engineering si pa pura muk saki namo halakani pura mu panin guide kharga pira ma ton hone jegi ba madigi to marisu IIT gauhati digi haurga Indian University of Science Bangalore PhD lorega ma se awang mathang gi ma wi South Korea rom da sakra krom sakra ma khangra ma gi message war ngane kale hanak join tori beto IIT ri join tori summa yam gre aduna our research institute of science technology gi monthly lecture series na koi physics department ki third floor da tori bese ma se akoi cham na ubo ma but it is very very important maram de sigi through da akoi na khangya manipuri masa sing si prithvi ge corner sing se mafang phudima ka sair ga lebu mayam kana na kari tawi karamba area de work tawi kari level jawri ase masi akoi phatna khangba ngam hoyi nearly 100 jawkhila ga dore ba hosi akoi topi ki ba mayam sing mading manung mayam phanam di jawre adu mayam mo wali ba adu ne ko second bloom third bloom da ka or ka dris anna rohikant we na ga tori work Ohio University Cincinnati University medical hospital na ga tori my work biochemistry work actually automatic yan phajre ba anu masi akoi yam asalai Birendra Thoksom ma hoji organized solar sendagi kari jasa karbon khangre Oriental College ki pass ho ki mana Asia da lerga organic solar send lit tor maga Australia government koi low solution ma Australia da lai hebne he is doing very good work magi paper mein advanced material ga phong be paper mein amau mein ki ba ko am nungai je bai tare ko sigum si am gre ba hoji lai na hoji akoi ki Manipur da ko sum SS matam da not only culture and sports that power was mine. Mapanegi young but Manipuri Manipuri culture got on the power. Sports that's on the power Haramada. How you science and technology pillars of with no pro have it has in a village. Madadana Angang Magi innovative and creative mind must have tip to the Beate potential Mayam sing Pudo positive direction that we be Salan the Bayara. Aduna in 21st century knowledge century and a country of Pamsida, quite an important way was the human resource. Human resources are the most important and powerful resource. Wherever Adunani, a former President APJ Abdul Kalam rightly said, I quote, the true wealth of the nation is not golds and diamonds. It is the ignited young minds, particularly the 300 million youths of the country have ignited minds. As she is important, and we will region wise, younger northern region, and with special reference to Manipur level, talent Mayam Masia Quigi, Huntowa, Daka, so the Muki Wagani, 2007, if my memory is correct. G8 Forum, UNESCO G8 Forum, International Center for Theoretical Physics, 3C, Italy, the Togiba, Forum da. Moina, Tam Amuk Quentawi, knowledge triangle. That knowledge triangle is nothing but it is education, research, and innovation. And this education, research, and innovation have this triangle, knowledge triangle, will be the mantra of the 21st century. It is not only for developed countries, but it is also for the developing as well as underdeveloped countries in Lauthukrabane. And research is very important. Innovation is also very important. And creativity and innovation have we call attention Jarabada Sir Isaac Newton saw an apple falling down from a tree and visualized constantly and creatively why it falls down on the earth instead of going up in the sky. See, thousands and thousands of Haitu Paper Murray Makok to Pan Grave. Kanam the Kaludi, Mayam Hangev, Newton Carmine and Nangiantar. Manakam, I am always in the prepared mind. How you can see so many necessary has given so many chances. Mayam Pirebo. Hide was sans Mayam since in the Luxin gate, tip to have prepare mind a little. So yeah, and a Magi message, Newton message spirit put youngsters is that be always in the prepared mind. She lay you have she am important way. Look at the sky and you will see we are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us. Sinakana Hagis. So Monans and is going aside high name. At Yadi and Kapumatum, a quick and the Kangano. I quit them to my arms, almost lady, stars, my arms, Moises, a quick group level, universal level, Pull Lemindri Bungatani, and the city of Asayam lay Heracona, Moi Bard and the dead of a star, Putoga, send Nobel Prize lower in it. Shibiraman, who looked at the sea and questioned why the sea should be blue. She questioned hung with Angang, Taman. Art of asking question is also very, very, very important. Anasigi Samudragi, Blue Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Blue Sea, Udagi, Laki Bamagi, Ayatana, Magi, Raman effect, secondary interpretation to Umatamda. Quantum mechanically as well as classical mechanics scheme apply to Putokumatamda, Mag Hanali Agi, Mediterranean Sea, Blue Toki Mag Wakalon, Halakumatamda, Monogram even, Madu some apply to in him. Yamna President, and as my tongue say, Angang Kangan Bamato type, Sumis Mayamsi. Adana, Iroilo with that Roshilapa, I'm hajing is Lakadri Bagi Manipuri, Tangu Leta, Pimsida. Tunda Lakadri generations and generations may answer the Tenagada. I'm not crucial, Mayama Tenagado challenges, Mayama, great challenges. Adana, social, political, and economic oiva. We develop my arms the role of science and technology is very, very important. We are spoon feeding now. I quake Manipur labor, quake soil labor, Shingmanung the labor, Lenung the labor, even biodiversity resource mayams is a good depth of potential mayams we could have how de hore, adu Mapum Padri. Life-saving drugs, lady have Mapan expert, even including Professor Darang, and the patience of China. They announced that in many platforms that if we have to prepare life-saving drugs, you have to go to the northern region in Manipur and Haria. Darang masangun hai mai tahui. Lucknow ki international conference NBRI Lucknow the pangtubun mahir. If you could touch the lips of the plants of the northern region, all can be converted into golds and diamonds. And more I want to say, you are luckiest person, Professor Rajmohan, Dr. Rajmohan. You are standing on the top of green golds and green diamonds. She is going to come to me. She is going to come to me. Spoon feeding among the labors. But she talked about socially, politically, economically, self-sustained. Tangdu laita sustainable development Manipur uge have target. Our future is on the younger generations, budding scientists like them. Masi khangna ko chamin ba mathau tai. So many resources, minerals dagi horga, biodiversity dagi horga, lairiba isingi, water gi, mayam singsi akoi nainabagi, sidagi, koigi kari puthoga dagi have si taurga koigi self-sustained langna bhona bada. Science and technology role should be. Si am chawo role ama lohon gadong have opomsi aina. Thamjaningi, and I am sure this book, Inspirations from the Scientists of Manipur, it will certainly be a source of inspiration, and it will certainly motivate and inspire our young scholars and students, particularly the budding scientists. So we're going to have a budding scientists young scientists pabi kholiba punamaksina soinamaki like she aina khanjabada masi in this book will be quite interesting, and it will be very useful to all of us. Madhugi damakta aroveda amukana ayo jani mai thagachari learnena ngasi Research Institute of Science Technology na packet chaba khongthang changsilak pasida patronage oibirba puning thagat piriba lengbirek kwai punama phuisu I samaki site tagi amadi Research Institute of Science and Technology site tagi han thagachari matung tarakpa thorom kaya dasu koi support to virkani habagi wakalonchi thamjabuga loina